Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the double socket in white. Okay, so let's grab our scissors and let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product. Oops. You'll get a set of screws which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box, and you'll also get a set of instructions which I'll show you in a second, but first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we'll take the plate off for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingers and push forward with your palm. Repeat the process on the other side, and the plate comes off nice and easy just like that. Okay. Here at the side here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. You have two 13 amp plug sockets with this guy, so you can charge your devices or have your TV or laptop, whatever you need. Okay, flipping it on over, you'll notice at the back here, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it has the 13 amp stamp on it. You'll also notice at the top here that it has the BS stamp, which is the British standards, which you need that to make sure that you can sell electrical products here, so that you know that it's safe, peace of mind, basically. Okay. Also, while I have it on this, while I have the plate off, you'll need a 35 millimeter depth pattress box, so that you have enough room for the wires and their socket to fit in there nicely. Okay. So let's take our plate. Put that back on, you hear that nice satisfying click so that you know that it's in place. All right, and then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about. Okay, on the one side you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms, which if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, we would greatly appreciate it. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. And finally, in the bottom right hand corner here, it's a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. Okay, and finally, oops, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, on the one side, this is our product code, the ART-SKT2 for socket, 13 for the 13 amp, long for long socket, and WH for white. Okay, on the center here we have our barcode, and in the top left hand corner you have another QR code, which if you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website. You can see our full range of products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice a recycling symbol in the bottom right hand corner here, so you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.